I just figured why not? Let's go hiking to the Trat Krok Waterfall. It's a little bit back, probably about 15-20 minutes of hiking. As you can see on the sign, it says very close, it goes motocross and off-road don't entry. There we go, motocross and off-road don't entry. So there we go, now we're going over here. Let's take a look. As you can see, a beautiful farm over there. That is actually a very good shot. Let's go, let's see what's back here. I've never been back here. Let's see what this waterfall is. It gets an entire sign. Oh, there's a nice little butterfly. So we're going to see where this waterfall is. And we're going to go back here. Walking through the jungle. Look at all this bricks and broken bricks and stuff like that. So, yeah, it did work out today. So that's why I'm huffing and puffing a little bit. Wow! That's got to be it down there. That is, I never knew that down there. Kilometers, half a mile. It's two times around a track. Whew. Well, where do we go? That's nice. Two forks. One is down there and one is up there. I don't know. Let's start out with this. I don't know, maybe we can go up and get a better view. I hear water. And these look like houses. Or something to that effect. Old houses, an old town. Certainly not the waterfall. So let's go. The only thing I care about is dogs. I hate those things. So I love dogs, Don't get me wrong, I love dogs. We're talking about the ones that haven't eaten in 5 days, in which I look like a chicken wing. Or one of those chicken drumsticks. They once said you just have to be the faster than the slowest person when you go with somebody. First of all, I'm alone. Second of all, I don't think I've ever been faster. So look at this as we come up this road. I think this is the way up. I mean, I'm going up. I feel good. That's where they were down there. I don't know if this is the way to the water fountain or not. Oh, look at this. Oh, a Mr. Me strawberry flavored something. There you go. It's Thai trash on the ground. Mr. Me, that bear is funny. Oh my God, look at this. What the heck is this? You got in the jungle, man. You get anything you want, including malaria. So I'm on a path, which I don't know. There's, actually it's beautiful hillside right there. Oh, here's this thing down here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I think that's a water runoff rather than a, yeah, there's where it starts. So I want to see this waterfall. It's got its own sign. I think I can hear it. It's only a kilometer. It used to be a kilometer from my apartment to the subway in Beijing, which wasn't bad. I would walk that way every Sunday and get food when I was there. So I said Beijing, average city. Average, not too bad, but just I'd rather have this going on. Where's my car? Well, I had trouble starting it. So we go over here. So I'm just going here and I'm going to see what this is. It's something. It's a hiking trail. It is probably, I would say probably about 93 or 94, with about 80% humidity. You get used to it. You really do get used to it very quickly. You see people and you're like, how can you get used to that? What in the world? You do. I mean, when it gets hot, everybody says it's hot. But there's fluctuations. When you first get here, everything's hot. But then when you get used to it, you're like, oh. And so let's see. I don't know. Could be getting close. So let's go through here. We're going up a mountain. There's the top right there. Man, I'm getting a real big workout. Oh, John Oldfield. Oh, that's good. You're going to find something. And you're going to say, hey, dangle off that tree. Stick your finger in there. You're going to do that. This is what I'm doing. I'm going through the jungle and I want to find a waterfall. It said it is the Trat Krok Waterfall. Oh, look at that. Look at that hole. That's huge. Okay, it might be up here. So, remember when it said no motorbikes? It's always funny. So, Let's see. Where to go? Where to go? Okay, I hear it. Look at the trash. Put my finger in it. You want me to put my finger in it, don't you? Here it is. I can hear the water fountain. Let's go down whatever the heck this is. I hear people down here. If you ever lost, go to where the trash is. Oh, this is a little slippery, but it is what it is. Going around here. Maybe I shouldn't be holding my car keys and my phone. I'll lose both. Okay, around here. Around here, there we go. Through here. Through here. I hear something. The people. Oh, I'm getting hit with cobwebs, so people probably haven't. I hear it. It's down there to the left. I don't think this is a trail, quite frankly. I think this is just... I think this is a water thing. They always said, don't go in the jungle alone, but everybody's here, so here we are. I can hear it. This is like driving, man. Oh, I am up high. Look at this. This is going to be a climb. I got to climb back up this. Okay, now I'm going down here. This is going to be a little tough. Start yelling and running towards the people. Okay, when I get down there, I will. What should I say if I'm yelling and running towards the people? Like, what should I say? Should I just start screaming and go, ah, la, 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 like, what do you want me to do? I don't know language. I don't know Thailand. I don't know Thai. So, I can't start yelling what? You know, that's the biggest thing. Oh, here we go. It's down here. I don't think this is right at all. Maybe it might be. I might go back because I'm getting around, I think, where I should be. Though they are stopped here. So maybe I should keep going. Those bikes, or maybe they just, I don't know. Whew. Well, here we go. I got left and right. Where do I go? I see there are little steps here. Look at this, little steps. So I guess Steelers are with 2 E's. Steelers are with 2 E's. So here we go. We got. This is man-made here. I just have to remember back and to the right. Back and to the right. I might cool off in the water. Maybe I should jump in the water. I don't know, John. Should I jump in the water? There's a heck of a lot of mosquitoes around me. Oh, this is going to be a nice climb up. Here we go. Let me Get over here and go on the ground here. This is, I should have brought a change of clothes. I thought I'd just walk down something easy, but nope. I'm walking without hands for supports because I'm holding things. I should put my keys in my, there we go, putting them in my pocket. So now my shorts are falling down as I'm walking over here. I'm going down, here we go. Going down here, down, down, down. I don't know, like Johnny Cash, a burning ring of fire. Go down, 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 and the flames keep getting higher. They're man-made things here, like this is man-made. But you can tell in a couple years it hasn't had maintenance because it's letting the water erosion get to it. Oh yeah, I can see it now. I can feel it. It's coming. Here we go. Oh, I can hear a water fountain. Oh. Oh, okay, here it is. We're down here. We're going. I hear people loving it. Oh, look, there's another path. Maybe I could have gone there instead of this one where there's dangerous stuff all over the place. It's the longest 1 kilometer I've ever walked in my life. So here we go. Here we go. People jumping in. Whoa, whoa, where am I? Here we go. There's the waterfall. Oh, there we go. There we go, people jumping into waterfall. Hello, this is great, yeah. I'm lost, I have no idea where I am, but I don't care. There we go, we got something here. There we go, I should jump in. Holy God, that looks a little unique. Maybe I should jump in. Oh my God, look at that thing. I should. Remember, always cave into peer pressure. So how do I will probably, let's see. I want to look at that thing. That thing is, here we go. There's this. I can get through to the other side. Oh, shoot. Can I? Yeah, I can, but I gotta put my shoes up here. If I know where to go now. I know where to go. So what I can do is bring people and then we go swimming. This is the waterfall, and there are people that camp out here, man. This is the greatest thing. Look, they got Coca-Cola, they got everything to eat, beautiful. They go around here. They go around here. Look at this, man. Oh, I can smell the charcoal. Oh, look at it going down the fall. Oh, they're jumping. Oh, look at that. How do you get back up? I got mosquitoes all over me, man. I got blood from all the mosquitoes. This is the life here. You gotta have mosquito spray. Somebody should have reminded me that before I decided to do something. Guy got a region school, Pattaya. How do you get back up? Like, how do you jump? How do you get back up though? Oh, I see. They go around and they would have to... Okay, so you jump here, you go down, you jump there. Then you walk all the way around. Look at them right here. I hope I'm hoping the best for them as I get bitten up by mosquitoes as I'm killing them. So they are going by and they're going to go here around. You just got to be close. I'm hoping the best right now. I don't know. Do they have chicken wings over there? That would be good. There we go. This is awesome. Look at this. This is really, really cool. And I got the world's biggest butterfly going around my leg. Uh-oh, there we go. Could be YouTube for life. It's all right. Hey, I got the same thing. I am afraid of heights. Oh, yeah. Usually when you get on something like this, you go low. And when you go low, you don't fall over. I've been on things that are the size of my kneecaps. And, you know, look at that round rock. Look at that round rock. And look at, like, that rock and that rock. There, he got through. And oh yeah, he's looking all the way down into that. Good job. You can do it. There he is. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Then there you go. Oh, he took a spill. Careful, slippery. Look at this. Oh, look at this. I could spend all day here. Now I know it exists. It's hot, it's humid. This is life right here. This is great. Look at this. It's all by following a sign. Oh my God. Man, I don't know what's over there. I'll tell you what, I'm getting bit the heck up by mosquitoes. I got to go back up the way I did, and that's going to be the hardest thing in the world. But this is, I found a nice spot. Look at this. Now I got to go back. This will be the longest 1 kilometer trek of my life. Look at this. It's straight up. My turn, John. You take. You know, I probably got like freaking, I got malaria or something. I'm getting hit by mosquitoes here. Look at this. I got to go all the way up this. And now I did a full workout today. And I got to go up this side of this mountain. And I'm starting to pronounce my T's too. I can't do that. I got to go all the way up here. I went down and now I'm going up. Oh my God, this is like a ladder. Though it is a lot easier to go up than it is down when climbing. Way easier to go up. Look at that. Ugh. I can't believe I came down here. I would say, if you come here, this is a place where you have lunch, man. Bring a barbecue, bring food, bring your hiking boots, whatever you do. Did that rhyme? Oh my God. Once I get up, it's easy going down. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, thanks, John. Look at that leaf. Oh. That's it, really. A little more. Oh, big butterfly. It's not like the 747 jet that tried to land on my foot earlier. There it is. Oh, oh. Let there be light. I don't know what's down there. Probably an easier way to get there. I don't know. I know it's not up there. All right. Down and up. The Trat Krok water fountain. It's got to be fun. Have a great day. We'll see you. Now let's walk back to the car. Oh. So here we go. Oh. Yeah, now it's hot. Yeah, now it's hot. Oh, it feels hot because the sun is all the way out now. The thing about the jungle, it's different. You think it's cool one day, and then, oh, the sun comes out and the clouds go away real quick. And it shoots up to over 100 degrees. With this humidity, but I'm walking downhill, so this is good. Oh, what a day. What a day. Going down the hill, middle of a jungle in Thailand. Third world country. Pandemic going on. Not saying good or bad when I say third world, just that's what the delineation used to be. I don't know what it is now. There might have been I think it was neutral. That's why it was third world, because in the old days it was always United States, first world, Soviet, second world, neutral countries, third world. So what people don't understand is technically Switzerland was a third world country. Technically, because it was neutral. Oh, I don't think Switzerland should have waterfalls like that. It might. It's their mountains. Oh yeah, pollen's coming out. Pollen is coming out. You don't want to be caught here when it's raining. Oh, beautiful walk through the jungle. Here it is. I'm walking back to the car. I got to see this on Google Earth. I'm going down to eat ribs now. How much I've lost weight 2 years ago. 3. My first year in Saudi, I would have never been able to do what I just did. Never. But here it is. Look at that. It's kind of a drop. There was more beautiful butterflies. There were more beautiful butterflies here than anything. So people apparently come over here and then they go down. And you can see there are some things that are down right here. You can see there's some sort of thing. You can see by the trash here. One thing about trash is this. Please, number one, you want to say pick up. You want to say, everybody, please pick up your trash, please. Because what the heck, it's like garbage, it ruins it for other people. You come in here because you want to forget about reality. But I could walk on that river. The reality is this. Trash, it helps you when you get lost. Because it's markers. It shows that humans have been there. The more trash, the more is an area that is traversed. So I've been in a couple of these situations where I don't know where the heck I'm at. And it's like, oh really? It's like I'm here or there or wherever. And I'm like, where am I? And then all of a sudden I see trash going in one way. And I'm like, yeah, that's trash. So walking down here off to the right is going to be the opening to that. There's that house. And of course I know some here can hear somebody on this trails. I'm going down to eat some ribs. And here we go. Oh, I almost got a little poked in the eye there. Should have wore my Kurt Rambis glasses. Should just make a series. Pennsylvania guy and wherever. Now you go down there, there's places you can swim. That's where people are at down there. I could go down there, but that'll be for next time. That'll be for next time. That is a hike. Oh. Looks like a whitewater rafting sort of thing. Not bad. Not bad. I think I took the wrong way around that. But it is what it is. All right. There's the road. I'm going back to the car. Now you have the blueprint or the map on going to a place where you can just go and escape the world if you want to. Not worry about anything. People have probably known about that place for 1,000 years, 2,000 years, 3,000 years. There's probably remains and ancient stuff down there near the riverbed, depending on how old that river is, for a long time. Probably. So, here it is. There's the road. And this is the beat up whatever that they tried to build, which, well, I try to put bricks here on sand, and guess what happens? They pop up and they break off. So that's it. All right, we'll go off when we go on the road. And there it is. I just parked down there a little bit. You can see you can park here if you want to. One of these days, maybe tomorrow I'll go early. I'll go real early. I don't know how long. I just got bit up. I could feel it in my leg. And here we go. I'm gonna walk along a road. What a day. All right, that's it for us today. We'll see you next time.